Hi, I'm Randy Stevens, President of Iowa Mortgage Professionals. I put together a short video that highlights our home financing process and some of the experts involved in the processing, underwriting, and closing of your home loan. Our goal is to make your home purchase or refinance as quick and as easy as possible. Just sit back and let us take care of the details.
We're based in West Des Moines, so whether you're a first-time home buyer, purchasing that dream home, consolidating debt, or refinancing an outstanding loan, our highly experienced team of Iowa home loan experts can help provide the mortgage that's right for you. Our specialty is handling all the details. No surprises. Our appraisers know construction and market values and protect you with accurate property appraisals.
My name is Shauna. I'm a certified residential appraiser. Getting an appraisal should be a painless process, as Iowa Mortgage Professionals only contracts with certified appraisers that are knowledgeable about their designated market areas.
FHA, VA, and USDA rural loans require different applications and paperwork than other mortgages, and our staff has years of experience with them all. So when you come in to sign the final paperwork, the work is done. You know the terms, the monthly payment, everything.
Hi, I'm Jason Laughlin. I'm with Springer & Laughlin Law Offices here in Des Moines. Iowa Mortgage Professionals ask us on a regular basis to conduct title-related work for clients when they are in the purchase of their home, and also asks us to conduct closings and make sure clients understand the documents that it is that they're signing, and then to make sure that those documents get back to our client and also to the proper places for recording.
Thank you for watching. We look forward to serving you and earning your business. Our financing team is part of the largest and most experienced independent mortgage banker company in Iowa. Please contact me to put one of our home loan experts to work for you.